Mr. Ryan, how are you today?
Good.
Good. Okay, so today we're going to compute the angles between the minute and the hour on a clock. Okay, so how do you draw 3 o'clock on the clock?
I need a pen.
Yeah, 3 o'clock. Okay, so okay, it's not that short, but something like that. This is called hour, yeah? And then that's minute, yeah? Right? How do you draw 3:30? 3:30. Yeah, 3:30. 3:30. You sure? The thing is that when this minute moves, the hour will also move, right? It's not straightly. Does it make sense? It's half, right? Because look, it should be half. This is 3, and that's 4 here. So when it's 3:30, yeah, I know. So here will be, yeah. So here, does it make sense?
6.
All right.
Yeah, 7, 8.
So when this minute moves,
11.
minute moves, the hour will also move, right? Right? Does it make sense? For 1 hour, okay. So for 1 hour, how many angles does how many for 1 hour? For 60 minutes, how many hours? I mean the angles of hour. 1 hour is how many angles? This angle, right? Yeah. What's this? How many angles a circle? Here it go like around this. How many angles, Eric? Angles. Look, this is 90 degree, right?
Yeah.
90 degree. And what's this?
360 degrees.
Yeah, this is 180, yeah. And then if you go around the circle, that's 360, right? Yes. And how many hours on a clock?
12.
12. So how many angle for between 1 hour? If I hour go from 1 to 2.
30 degrees.
30 degree. Well done. So look, 360 divided by 12 is 30 degree. Okay, so we know 1 hour equals 30 degree. And how many minutes we have in 1 hour?
60.
Okay, so how many angles does 1 minute have?
Or how many hours does 1 minute have?
No, how many angle like this? 100. This is 360, and you say 60 minutes. So how many? If the minute moves 1 minute, which angle? This small angle, which is what's this?
1 degree.
No, of course not 1 degree. Why is 1 degree? 1 minute. How many minutes? You just said how many minutes? How many?
12. No, 60.
60 degree. 60 minutes. And how many minutes? How many angles?
60 degrees.
6 degree, right? Yeah. So minute moves 1 minute is 6 degree, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to find out the angle between the hour and minute, the smaller one, right? Because it always has 2, the smaller one and the bigger one, right? We want to know the smaller angle. How can we compute this?
Huh?
The small angle, like 300, like 330. What's the angle between 330? 330. Look, 30. This is 30, yeah. 3. Yeah.
90 degrees.
No, it's not 90 degrees. I just said the hour move as well.
Yeah.
Right? Look. This is 3. This is 4. So when the hour will be okay, that's it. You don't need to write. Look, this is 30, yeah. This is 6, right? 30, yeah. So what's the degree? Degree is here, not here. This is 90 degree, right? All right. Look at me. This is 90 degree, but we also need to count the angles.
75 degrees.
75 degree. Why is it 75 degree? Can you explain to me?
I don't know.
Yeah, 75. Why you say 75? Isn't it?
Because it moves half.
Yeah, half
And
is.
looking there, say 15 and.
Yeah, well done. That's it, exactly. Yeah, that's well done. Good job. Be confident. It's 75. Because when the hour moved half of it, right? So this is 15 degree. we just said that this is 30 degrees. If we move from 3 to 4, then it's half. It's half, that's 15.
Oh, yeah.
So 90 minus 15 is what? 75.
75.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so how are we approaching this problem? If it's h hour and m minute, what's the angle between them? If it's h hour, m minute.
H hour M minutes.
Mm-hmm.
H M.
Yeah, h hour, m minute.
H M.
Yeah, h m. So how we calculate this? Can we calculate it as, look, we know this is 0, right? Here is 0, yeah? Can we calculate the h angle first? And then we calculate m angles first. And if we minus that, that will be the angle, right? Does it make sense? Yeah, look, like take this for example, 3:30, right? Okay, what's the 3 hour degree? 3 hour, but we need to count it for this half. So 30 minutes, how many hours? Divided by 60, right? Yeah? And plus h, that's the hour move, right? Because hour, if 3 hours, 3 o'clock, it moves at least 3, yeah? But it also needs to move half of the minutes, so which is here. So it will be h minus m divided by 30. That's the total hour it moves, yeah? And we just say it's what? It's 30 degrees, right? Yeah? Right? This is the angle of hour, right? What's the minute hour minute moves? M times what? Which m times what?
6.
Yeah. And if we minus this, the difference minus this, that will be the answer. Compared to, so this is the angle, yeah? And we need to calculate 100 minus angle and an angle which is smaller, right? Because we want a smaller one, right? Does it make sense? Yeah? Does it make sense, Eric? Okay, so can you explain to me, what, can you explain to me? So this hour, we need to modulate by 12 as well, because if it's more than, if h is given from 0 to 12, okay, we modulate by 12, okay, so it's between 0 to 11, okay? Does it make sense, Eric? Yeah? Okay, let's write the curve, okay? This should be easy. This is a mathematical problem. Okay. Define angle. Let's say hour, minute. Right? Come on. Okay, look. We need to, first of all, get h between 0 to 11, right? Because sometimes you say 21 hour, right? Yeah? 21 o'clock. Yeah? 24, yeah? So modular equals what?
20.
Sorry?
Wait.
We want to make this number between 0 to 12. 11 o'clock is equal to 23. 8 o'clock is equals to 20.
Actual.
Modular 12, yeah? So this will become, the h will become the 0 to 11, right? Between 0 to 11, right? Yeah? Okay. The angle, look. Minute angle. Let's say angle minute equals, we know it's minute times 6, right? Yeah? Yeah? 6 degrees, right? Alright, yeah. Minute. So this angle times 6, alright, is the angle between minute and this 0. Does it make sense? If it's 30 minutes, what's the degree?
It is
30 minutes, where is the degree?
the degree is kind of like here.
So what's the answer? M. Come on, angle M equal M times 6. So when M is 30, what's the degree?
180.
Yeah, so it's 180. So it's basically that. And what's the 30? What's 15? When M is 15, what's the degree?
It is 90.
Look, it's 90. Yeah, you see? When it's 15 here, right? Yeah? You see?
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. So you understand this angle M is this, yeah? Okay. hour, angle hour. Angle hour equals, we know it's hour, right? Yeah? Yeah? But we need to plus with m, with 1 times 30. Alright? Plus what? Can you explain what's here? What's your equation?
M divided
By what?
30. No.
By what? How many minutes?
By 60.
60, yeah. If m is 30, then it's the hour needs to go another half, right? Right? And each hour is 30 degrees, right? Yes? Alright? Okay? And then look, so the difference. So this is an answer, okay? Answer equals what? ABS, the difference, yeah, between angle. ABS, can you tell me what's ABS?
ABS is American.
No.
That's ASCI.
No. ABS, absolute value. Remember the difference between 0 and the number. If it's if it's minus 3, it's ABS 3. It's 3. If it's 4.
4.
Yeah. So the difference between Ryan, do you understand this ABS value? 0 here, 1, 2, and this is minus 1. That's minus 2. Right? Ryan, right? This is the numbers on the line.
Yeah.
If you put this is ABS value, absolute value. It means the distance between the number to the 0. So ABS minus 2 equals how many units here? How many units here? Right, Eric? ABS minus 2 equals what?
ABS minus 2 equals 2.
Ryan, I'm asking you, Ryan. ABS minus 2 equals what? Absolute value, how many units?
1.
Distance between minus 2 to 0, how many?
2.
2, okay? ABS 1 equals what? How many units between 1 to 0?
1.
Yeah, that's what I mean. If it's a negative number, you take away the negative. If it's a positive number, it doesn't change, okay? That's what it is. So we want to calculate the angle. Well, the angle is obviously positive, yeah? Alright? Yeah, because sometimes the hour angle is bigger than a minute. But sometimes the minute angle is bigger than the hour. Does it make sense? 3:30, the 30 minutes is bigger than the hour, right? 3:15, the hour is bigger than a minute, alright? So we want to get the difference. And then we want to return the minimum, alright? So what? Mean. Answer. And then what? We want to get the smaller angle, not the bigger angle. So what's that? Answer. So this is angle. And what's this angle? What's this angle?
Is on 360 subtract.
Come on.
Answer.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking for. Yeah. Answer, not answer. Okay. So that's the minimum of it. Okay. So what's the time complexity?
N.
Where's the n? Don't just make a guess. What's the time complexity?
OH.
What?
O.
What?
OA.
What?
O.
We are just given two numbers, and then we do some mathematical calculation. What's the time complexity?
N squared. O1.
O1, we're done. What's the space complexity?
O1.
Yeah, that's it. Because we are only giving two numbers, we're just doing some calculation. We don't need. No matter how big is this number, how complex is the number, we always calculate it instantly, right? Yeah, does it make sense? Yeah? Alright? Okay, so I'm going to erase this and then erase this. Okay. What? Come on. Ryan, everybody's watching you. Come on.
ABS.
Yeah, ABS. Come on. What's ABS mean? Can you tell me? ABS what? What's this? Angle M. Come on. Angle M. What's angle M?
Angle minute.
Yeah. What's this
angle
minute?
hour.
Yeah. What's angle M equals what?
Angle M
what?
minus angle H. Maybe
Very well done. Eric, do you want to get the other one?
in the shorter one. Wait.
You want to get the one? What's the angle of a minute? Come on, that's the easiest part. What's the minute? Oh, how many minutes? What's the minute?
50.
Yeah, what's the each angle?
Yeah.
What? It's just simple. M what?
M.
Yeah? Times what? Can we not do it, please?
6.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.